Now we have learned that one day comprises of 24 hours. Now using this conversion, we can actually calculate that if you have certain number of hours, it is equal to how many days, or if you have certain number of days, it is equal to how many hours. So let's see how we can convert these. So 2 days is equal to how many hours? So how many hours are there in 2 days? How do you calculate that? Well, the conversion is 1 day is equal to 24 hours, isn't it? Now you are trying to convert from days to hours. That is, day is a larger unit because it comprises of 24 hours, which is a smaller unit. So we are talking about day to hours. So what would you do? Well, we will have to multiply. Now we have to calculate 2 days. So we are talking about 2 into the conversion, that is 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So it's 2 into 24 hours, which is 48 hours. So 2 days is equal to 48 hours. Now what if you have to calculate the opposite? That is, you have 72 hours and you need to calculate it is equal to how many days. Now again, we know the conversion, 24 hours is equal to 1 day. So we are talking about the conversion here, that is, you are converting from hours to day, that is from a smaller unit to a larger unit. So what do? You divide. Now we need to calculate for 72 hours. So 72 hours is equal to 72 by the conversion, that is 24 hours is equal to 1 day. So 72 by 24, and this will come in days. So it's 3 days. So when we talk about 72 hours, it is equal to 3 days. So using this conversion rate, you can calculate any number of values and you can actually convert between hours to days and days to hours. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.